Okay, this is the top of my 1996 Jayco. You can see at one point underneath the antenna was the actual color of the roof, which was white. It's now black. So I prepped this surface, and then up here in the front I had a leak, so I put some EPDM membrane down, sealed it up. I had to rebuild parts of it because it was a real bad leak. So it's been cleaned and prepped and ready to go. So tomorrow I will coat it and we'll see what it looks like afterward. Okay, I've gone around the edges with the brush, all along the edges. And one good point is get plenty of rags, because you get this stuff, you get it on yourself. It's too easy to get on yourself. I'm going to leave myself a little space to get out. So I've gone along all the edges and all the vents. And air conditioner, made a mistake. I should have taken the refrigerator vent off. I didn't, but at this point it's going to be better than it was. And notice it's all black right now, except for the piece I put on the front. All the edges up here, and do all the little trim work first, and then I'm going to go start rolling the rest of this. It's about 10 o'clock, 70 degrees, no clouds in the sky, and it's going to be close to 90 today. Humidity's about 50%. I think it's a perfect day. So I'm gonna do a little bit and then I'll show you some pictures. I'm alone, so I don't have anybody to hold this camera. Okay, right, here's the finished product. You can see how nice this looks. Prior to this, it was all black and nasty, and it's all nice and white. Whoop, that's me. Let me look at the rest of it. Here's the aerial and so on. And then here's the front. I got a couple wrinkles in it because when I put the new membrane down, I didn't let the glue set long enough, so it's created some air bubbles under there that'll dissipate over time, but it doesn't hurt the integrity of the roof. So very pleased, nice and sealed, 1,000 times better than it was. I mean, this is 1996, never been touched on this roof, so it's well overdue. Great product, and it worked really well. Okay, here I am again. It's been about 2 weeks, and I'll show you what this old piece of junk. Remember, this was a 96 Jayco black roof. It was horrible. The stuff would come off and it drip down the side and create streaks, and it was really hot. So now here we are. Look at this. This is that old Jayco, completely covered. I'm up on top right now. It's about 90 degrees, and it doesn't even feel hot. There's the refrigerator vent and the old TV stand. Okay, I'm going to come down here along the edge, and it's got it all sealed up. Now I added this little strip along here. This is the piece that I replaced with the EPDM membrane. I took a piece of, I don't know, it was carpet joiner, and screwed it into the metal, and then have butyl tape under it, and I put the coating over the top of it. I mean, it's not perfect, but what you saw earlier, it was up here. This whole top was hideous. It caved in, it was leaking, it was nasty. And so I put this membrane over the top and replaced all the boards underneath. Now you can see there's still some bubbles in it, but not anywhere near what they were. That's because I fouled up the glue. I didn't let it set, like I mentioned earlier. I didn't let it set very long. But it's way down. It's manageable. It's perfect for me. There's the front vent. There's a little flub up I did on the patchwork. Okay, so that's my boo-boo there. So now we're going along the side. That's where the awning is. Man, it's just beautiful up here now. Not hot. There's a small little patch I had to do. Like I say, this thing was pretty well beat up. And I've got a lot of confidence right now that this is not going to leak. I'm getting anxious to go take it up to the mountains, spend a few weeks. And I'm really happy with how this came out. It's got a nice sheen to it. The water just beads right off of it. And I would highly recommend this product. Even to people who have RVs, have had them for a while. Just to coat this roof it's not that big a deal. Especially when you don't have to do any rebuild on it. All you have to do is paint this stuff on. It's awesome. It's a great product. And not much learning curve to it. If you watch a few of the videos, you get the idea how it all works. It's not that difficult. Just paint the edges and then roll and squeegee the rest of it on. This was about 23 feet. I used a 5-gallon bucket. I think I'm good to go. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.